Bottom of the vest zipped up. All right, well, we're going into Asian Dynasty. Well, I think it's like 4.5 stars, something like that. Yeah, 4.3. Looks different.
$5.
Oh wow, photo margaritas. Hey, how you doing? No, we're just picking up. All right. Nah, but he was good. He tried to charge us $1 million for the order. I wasn't going down that easy for it. All right, so this is Asian Dynasty. Right there. Got the raccoons right there. We're just gonna do it with a fork. It's a lot easier. But try this real quick. God dang. That looks crazy. I had to pull over real quick and get this in. I could have waited till I got home, but I was like, I gotta try this. Cause this place got 4.5. This is good. This is good. It's easy with the winter. Well, you got the fireworks out here. They're selling. You got the crab rangoons right here. These look really good. Crispy. By the way, that chicken was good. And this is amazing. The inside of it is like really sweet, outside crispy. This is perfect. Cream cheese with a little sweet aftertaste. Like, it's really good. It's real. It's a nice subtle sweet taste. You see the pieces of crab in here, imitation crab, but still solid. Just plain steamed white rice. Really looks good with the sesame chicken sauce. Texture of the chickens. This chicken's real fresh. You can already tell that. Crispy outside, white. White and juicy on the inside. This is the pick. This is the pick right here. Asian Dynasty. Sesame seed chicken. I can't even talk right. Asian Dynasty sesame seed chicken is the one. I'm out. Peace. Overall, Asian Dynasty is solid. I have some stuff on my face. Yeah, That's how good it was. Yeah, I recommend the crab rangoons. I recommend sesame chicken. They got orange chicken. All that's good. Check out the